And we've got wine, we've got coffee. Frank, you're supposed to be pouring. And lemon. If I can look at your countertop and see what you like to drink, that's not good. But what is good? The product I'm going to show you next. Got to see this demonstration. Stick around.
So you get a new countertop, maybe it's marble or limestone. You get it for the first time, and then you drip a little coffee on it, and it stains.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Good news is Courtney is live at World Market Center with a solution. There she is.
Hey, Courtney.
You guys, they have the most beautiful things at the World Market Center. And you look at this and you think, this is so gorgeous, but it's not really practical, right, for my house. You can't do marble in a kitchen. I'm telling you guys, you can. And Katie Friedlander here with TuffSkin Surface Protection has the solution. So what is TuffSkin?
Absolutely. So TuffSkin is a protective coating that we put on top of marble to guarantee that it will never etch or stain.
And not just marble, any kind of stone, particularly natural stone that usually is porous.
Absolutely, yeah. Natural stone is porous and it's calcium based, and it's very impractical to put on kitchens and bathrooms.
So this is beautiful, but okay, so where's your product? Can you show me that?
Yeah, that's the beautiful thing about our product is that we make it invisible so you can't tell it's on there.
It's on here already?
Exactly. We want your marble to be beautiful and stay that way.
And it's going to keep this glossy sheen the whole time?
The entire time, yeah. Stays glossy, looks beautiful every day, more practical for use.
So if you've done any research on things like that, a lot of these have chemicals or VOCs or something like that. Am I going to get that with TuffSkin?
You're not going to get any VOCs with TuffSkin product or the installation. So it's very clean, efficient, and the turnover is quick as well. As soon as we're done installing, it's ready to go.
So you have to have it installed professionally?
We do, yes, and installed professionally.
I mean, guys, it is absolutely invisible. What is not invisible is this space. I mean, this space is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Katie. And I just happened to match it. This is Andrea Miranda Hall. She actually designed this whole space here at World Market Center. You've been using this product for years. Tell me quickly why you like it.
I like it because I really am drawn to natural stone, onyx, and marbles. And when I've worked with builders and contractors and picked out beautiful slabs like what you're seeing here from Walker Zanger, they were like, you cannot do this in a kitchen.
And you don't like hearing no.
I don't take no very well, so I was introduced to TuffSkin, and I've done islands with onyx that are backlit, and red wine drinkers who were afraid to take the plunge because it's an investment for something this beautiful.
Especially with natural stone, something like that, you're going to cry. But we're going to show you coming up in a few minutes how you can still drink your red wine, your coffee, and everything and not be scared. TuffSkin Surface Protection. Like right now we are at World Market Center. You can give them a call at 702-778-2272, and you can also get more information at TuffSkinProtection.com.
We're told the demand for exotic stone or natural stone for your countertops is at an all-time high. They look great until you spill or drop something on it. Let's go back out to Courtney at the World Market Center. She's at TuffSkin for a demonstration. Hey, Courtney.
Yes, if you are looking at this right now and it's just making you think, oh my goodness, I can't believe they just did that, yeah, you're probably right. Because this is untreated stone with wine, coffee, and lemon juice on it. This part down here is treated. Same thing, wine, coffee, lemon juice, and it's treated with something called TuffSkin Surface Protection. I'm back with Katie Friedlander. So kind of give us a recap of what we're looking at here.
Absolutely. So this piece of marble here is unprotected. That means that it's calcium based, it's very porous, and it's soft. So all of these materials here are going to be eating away at the stone and making it etch and stain and look not pretty.
But marble is so popular in the kitchen because I've heard it is durable. But you're telling me that these bubbles over here, sorry about that, Lance, you can come back in here. These bubbles are happening only on the untreated stone. Why?
Absolutely. That's because the TuffSkin is a barrier between the stone and any liquid that could destroy it.
Oh my goodness.
So it's a non-porous surface here, and you can see that the materials are just sitting on top rather than soaking right in.
And guys, this is actually the treated surface. The TuffSkin is actually on this gorgeous countertop right now. It is the glossy version. Lance, if you go to your left a little bit, we can show there's a difference between the satin version and the glossy version over there on those samples. But I can imagine that when you're at a trade show like we are at World Market Center, someone walks by that wine, a designer walks by that wine and sees that ring, and they freak out. And you say, don't worry, it's TuffSkin.
Don't worry, it's TuffSkin, yeah.
So how do we install it?
So the product is installed very cleanly. We only use water and baby shampoo as a slip solution. And the product is ready upon completion. So as soon as the TuffSkin is down, you can use your kitchen.
All right, and Frank, since you poured this, we're gonna make you wipe it off here. And what are we gonna see when you wipe this off?
Well, we are going to see that The acid in these liquids has eaten into the stone just a little bit and left a permanent mark, which can only be fixed with a professional restoration.
Oh my gosh, that's a huge coffee stain.
Yes,
wow.
it is. And if you look over here with the lemon, it actually has eaten the stone away and is leaving an etch.
Oh, I see. So sometimes you have to be at the right angle, but you can totally see that when the light hits it, that big old circle.
Shine goes away. But with the TuffSkin, everything wipes up very easily with no issues.
And they've been sitting there since you guys saw us pour it on there. The wine has actually been sitting on both the untreated and the treated for several minutes. You saw us pour the coffee and the lemon juice on there. Just a couple minutes. I mean, look at that again, Lance. Lance is our cameraman. I'm telling him to zoom in because that right there, this darkness, that's not part of the marble. That's actually the coffee stain. And you said, Frank, you're not going to get that up unless you have a diamond grinder?
It is a professional restoration required to bring this stone back to new.
All right, well, you know what? Go out, use your agate, use your natural stone, use your marble, use your, what other things does it protect well? I think some of them you don't want to use as countertop usually, but you can with this.
Yeah, marble, travertine, onyx, limestone, any calcium-based stone is what we invented our product for, but it can go over anything flat and smooth that you use on countertop surfaces, so concrete and granite work as well.
That is awesome. Thank you so much. If you want more information from TuffSkin Surface Protection, you can go to TuffSkinProtection.com or come see them at World Market Center. Send it back to you guys, and I just might drink the rest of that wine, you know, just for safety purposes. Just saying.